Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Katie if you're new here, and I am so excited because today I'm going to be decorating my living room and dining room area for Christmas. So I have taken larger areas of my house one at a time and decorated this year. I find that it has been so much less overwhelming, especially as a mom with little kids running around. So previously I decorated my kitchen and my master bedroom. If you missed either of those videos and you'd like to see them, I will link them in my description box down below. And my house is finally starting to come together and just feel like just a Christmas vibe, and I'm so excited about it. Let me know in the comments below how your Christmas decorating is going, and if you haven't, let me know what your favorite Christmas movie is or Christmas tradition. I just think it's so interesting hearing what gets everyone else excited about the holidays. So thank you again so much for watching, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So the first step was putting up the Christmas tree, and this tree is a 7-foot tree. We got it at Big Lots last year. It is a flock tree, and as you can see, it does shed quite a lot, but I absolutely love it. It is pre-lit. It's in 3 pieces. This is not a sponsored video, but I love this tree. Like, I would definitely recommend it. If I can find it, I will link it below. I'm not sure if Big Lots sells it like online or not, but it was very reasonably priced, and I just think that it is such a pretty tree. And all of the lights work, and like I said, I got this last year, so for them to still be working this year made me super happy. So the next step was just to fluff up these branches, and I feel like this is such an important step, and I hate this step. It's just kind of boring, and I don't really love touching all the branches, but if you don't fluff up the tree, then there's a lot of areas that are really bare and just look like you can see straight through the tree. Here are the ornaments that I'm going to be adding to the tree. I got all of these last year from Hobby Lobby. I think that they just are really cute and really simple, and I think my favorite ones might be these cotton picks. So I really prefer a pretty simple tree. I get kind of overwhelmed when there's a lot of ornaments on my tree. I'm not saying that I don't like trees decorated like that, but in my own house it kind of just overwhelms me. Plus I don't think I'm the best at it. So I would honestly maybe just keep my tree only with the lights on it without any ornaments if it was 100% up to me, but I thought that might be a little weird, so I did add these and left it as it was. I might get some more next year, I might not. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like a lot of ornaments on your tree, or if it Next, I added this galvanized tree collar around the bottom of my tree. I did get this from Target last year, and don't worry, I will vacuum up all of this extra like white dust on the ground. That is kind of the bad part about having a flock tree. Even though they're really pretty, they just shed quite a lot. So I wasn't worried about it yet because I knew that putting this tree color on there was going to mess with the branches. Anytime anybody touches them, they like to shed. So it is what it is. I got this flocked garland at Hobby Lobby, and the first thing that I did was put it up onto my mantle just to see how long it was and get an idea of how I would want it to hang from the front of my mantle. And to hang it from the front of the mantle, we used a few command hooks and then wrapped some floral wire around the garland and then wrapped that around the command hooks. I know that there's a few ways to do this, but this has stayed pretty well. It was a bit of a hassle since this garland was so heavy, but like I've said, it has stayed and it was doable. It just kind of takes a minute to play around with it and make sure you have it how you like it.
I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree.
I wanted to decorate my windows with some wreaths, so I found these plain green wreaths from Walmart. They were like $2.88, and then also this fake snow. I got this online at Amazon, and it worked so well. I will link it below if you guys are interested in it, and if you also are interested in just making like a garland or a wreath look flocked. I have a friend here on YouTube. Her YouTube channel name is The Organized Farmhouse, and she has done a couple of garlands this year that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I don't really know what I was doing. I just sprayed this on until I liked the way it looked and then let it dry, and then I just hung these up from my windows.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment.
I wanted my dining room table to be really farmhouse and neutral, and I got all of these trees from Target, and I got everything else from Hobby Lobby.
I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
So the last area that I decorated was my hutch, and this is in my dining room, and I got this hutch from IKEA. I absolutely love it. I don't know how many people like have hutches in their houses, so if you do, let me know. It is one of my favorite things to decorate, and I started off with these little milk jug containers, and the Milk for Santa one, I got that one from Hobby Lobby last year, and the floral picks I got from Hobby Lobby as well. A couple of the milk containers, I DIY'd those in a video this summer. If you missed that one and want to see it, I will link it down below. And then I moved on to adding some signs, and this cuddle weather sign I just made, and it is available in my Etsy shop. I love it. And I also added this Farmhouse Christmas sign also in my Etsy shop. I couldn't find the exact sign that I wanted, so I decided to make it. So if you guys are looking for something like that, definitely check it out. I will put the link down below. These tiny wooden spoons came from Hobby Lobby, and this Be Bright mug was from Target Dollar Spot last year. I love those little spoons. Like I said in my previous video, anything like little I am obsessed with, so I just feel like it's perfect. Next, I added some more pine cones to this little red basket, and since this hutch is right next to my dining room area, I felt like it kind of helped bring everything together.
Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us all come together. Let your love keep shining. Christmas time, and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please.
See it. What is it?
A gnome.
Gnome. Oh. All right, put it on the tree.
You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Yes, I did. 'Cause you left something for me under a Christmas tree. Yeah. So baby, come home tonight.
Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below how your holiday decorating is going, and don't forget to please remember the reason for the season and be kind to each other. So hope you all have an amazing day, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye guys.
Mistletoes, baby, with